Yes, so people, big up again. Stars ENT News. Back at it. People, subscribe, like, share. You see me? Remember, tell a friend same way. You understand? So today we come to speak on Nicki and Klein versus Gio and Ken. Most people see the video there where Gio and Ken put out. You understand? Yeah. So it's like Gio and Ken link up Klein and Licky and Klein and them DM. You see me? If you try if you do something because them say all the fans have been asked. You see me? If you do some work between the two couples, you see me? Cause I don't know two big YouTuber them, You see me? Yeah. So it's like Gio and Kenna say, yo, them see it for must about 2 days or 3 days and them not respond. And them said them seeing it. You see me? Which in them free for respond or don't respond. You understand? Yeah. And them not know it. Well, them are gonna see Ken page maybe them wants to say it's a real page because she have a whole heap of followers. You understand? You see me? But I feel them think that if them no respond, I feel them think that you understand. So Gio and Ken kinda begs about it. Watch the video. You see me? Nah lie. Them seem really vexed about it because they must say yo both couples are now in a town because Gio and Ken moved to town and Nicki and Klein moved to Kingston. Same way, you understand? So you don't know. Them they don't have a link there. You see me? Cause them say the fans been a ask feed, so them link them up and them no respond. Which them free for respond and them free for don't respond. You see me? But me I go talk it real, You see me? Raw, You see me? Me see Nicki and Klein link up with King and Shay. So from me see that me don't know say yo that link there. Me not think that link there did make me never did even a pre with Gio and Klein. If Gio and Ken link up with Nicki and Klein. You see me? Me never see it. You see it? Nicki and Klein they don't have for them link already. You see me? I don't know Klein brother Twy him is a YouTuber as well. You understand? Big one at that too. You see me? With fame baby mother. You see me? Nix, you understand? And you have Christian Rosa, same way. You understand? All of them did the right in a ville. You see me? You want to big up my place same way. You see me? All of them there in a ville and them do them thing. You understand? I was them link with King and Shay, same way. You understand? So we see all of that people. Me never did really a pray say them a go link with Gio and Ken. I don't know that thing that it go between King and Shay and Gio and Ken. You see me? That thing that did me not even know if you say. You see me? Yeah, because YouTube channel did get take away and all of this and they blame the fling each side. You see me there? Because remember Gio and Ken me really know of like with the YouTube couple thing. And then after that I see King and Shay. You see me? I don't know if our King and Shay started but them get bigger first or them start it and then them see it and them did like it and them do it and it did a work for them and you understand? Yes, so that did go on. YouTube channel did get take away King and Shay and I did be things. You understand? So from then time there we did see the link there already or the link they said. I would see Nicki and Klein link up with King and Shay. You understand? Cause I see Klein and King roll and you understand? No bad vibes, good vibes. King come right I say in a villain. You see me? Yeah, so I don't know them as me say them free if you do them thing. You understand? If them no respond for them thing. You understand? So them I get views or fight still, you know. You see me? Half what them do still, you know, but as me say, them free if you do them things. So I don't know how to do. I just make your fans know say yo, like when them in the comment section then cause them say yo fans been asking at the comment section. Put it in the comment section, say yo, link them. You understand? So people out, you know, subscribe, like.